everyone, welcome to Let's Yoga with Krutika, and today I've come up with Jala Neti. Very interesting topic, practicing Jala Neti. I will be practicing this in front of you, practically demonstrating how to practice Jala Neti. So, what is Jala Neti? Jala Neti is a cleansing technique. Jal means water, Neti means cleaning. So, Jala Neti is a process of cleaning your internal nostril. Your nasal tract is completely cleared. All the phlegm is removed from your nose. First of all, when you get a Neti pot, you should sterilize it, wash it and clean it completely before using. And then you have to take 2 big glasses of water, like how I have taken. Add 1 teaspoon salt in it, mix it well. You need a Neti pot for this. This is a Neti pot which I bought from Amazon. If you want, you can check this link which is I mentioned in the description box below. And you need water. Okay, so I have this bottle. Okay, I just filled warm water with salt. Okay, so I have shown you how to do this. So it is just a salt and water mixture. Very simple mixture with the salt. And then you need a bucket, okay, napkin for this, okay, napkin, okay. Now these are the ingredients, these are the materials which I used for Jala Neti and which is actually mentioned in the yogic scriptures. So I follow the yogic scriptures. So whatever is there in the yoga philosophy, so I do it exactly as per that. Okay? I follow the principles of yoga and try to reach out to you. My knowledge, I try to share all my knowledge to you. So please do like, share, subscribe to my channel to watch more and more videos. Okay? So there are various precautions which you should follow to practice Jala Neti. So before you practice Jala Neti, make sure that both the nostrils are open, or if it is at least one nostril is open, okay, so that you can, at least practice the kriya, okay. And one more thing is, make sure that you are on empty stomach, okay. The second thing is empty stomach. You should be on empty stomach. Third thing is, try to practice in the morning. Morning time is the best time to practice Jala Neti. Before you start any task, any new task, you should practice Jala Neti so that you feel fresh throughout the day. The fourth one is, make sure that you have all the equipments with you, okay, handy with you, okay. Fifth one, make sure that the water and salt consistency should be proper, okay. It should not be like too much of salt added in the water, lukewarm water, and the water should be lukewarm, not too hot, not too cold, okay. You can even taste the salt water. If you feel too much of salty, if you feel the water is too salty, then you can add little bit water, adjust the consistency. But you can keep extra water with you, okay, to practice, because you have to practice both the sides, right? Or you might not be able to practice initially, okay, if you are a beginner. But if you are a professional, then you will be able to practice. If I say precautions, it goes on and on. But mostly during periods, pregnancy, you should avoid this practice, okay. Please do not practice. For ladies, do not practice during periods, do not practice during pregnancy, okay. Next is, you should make sure that you do not have severe fever, severe cold during your practice, because it will disturb your practice, okay. So make sure you're healthy. So let us start with the Jala Neti practice. Let's yoga. Okay, so let's start with the Jala Neti session. Before we start with the Jala Neti practice, let us do some warm-ups. So we'll just do some neck movements, right and left. Very important to do some warm-ups, because you have to stay in this position for a while. You can stay in squat position or in a standing position. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, just relax, stretch your arms. Okay, stretch your arms up and down. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Loosen up your waist. And the other side. Very good. And we are ready. Okay. Okay, so now to start, we have to first take the water. So I have my water with me. And pour the water in this. Okay. So before you do this, I'll tell you that you have to breathe through your mouth. Okay. Why breathe through the mouth? Because your water is going to enter through the nose. So you will not be able to breathe through the nose. And if you breathe through the nose, the water will go into the body, into your head. Okay. And that is not harmful, but you should actually be careful about it. Otherwise, you will get headache. Okay. Okay. So let's practice now. So this is the water which I took, lukewarm, salty water. I'll take a bucket now. I'll keep my bucket here. And I'm going to take the towel besides me. Okay, and my neti pot. So first thing what you have to do is you have to fill the neti pot. Okay, you can fill it half, not up to the mark. I mean, not completely fill it with the pot with water. Okay, you are filling it up to the half of it. Okay, so it's only this much I have filled. Okay, you can fill it up to here also. But don't make sure you're not filling it up to this part. Otherwise, the water will come out from here instead of coming out from here. Okay. Make sure that your position is proper. Okay, you should be in a proper position. Now, my left nostril is more open than my right nostril. So, I'm going to, take this nozzle on my left nostril. So, into my, you have to insert this nozzle. This is called as a nozzle, the tip of the pot. Okay, I'm going to insert it into my nose. Okay, like this. And I'm going to make a squat, standing squat, your right hand on your thigh. And what you have to do is, you have to first inhale, exhale, try practicing the mouth breathing. Okay, so make sure you're breathing from the mouth. You have to breathe throughout, you have to breathe from the mouth. Okay, do not breathe through your nose because your nose will be filled with water. Okay, so now slowly you have to take your hand, your elbow should be raised. Slowly raise your elbow, tilt your head and let the water flow through the nostril. Exhale, remove all the phlegm. Okay, so now could you see this? So I have removed my phlegm from the left to right nostril. So this is how you have to practice it. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Before you practice, make sure that you're in a proper squat. Okay, I will show you the second position also. You can even sit down like this and practice. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, either you can sit and you can stand. I will just do in the standing position like this. You can also try sitting down like this. Okay, both the ways is comfortable. Make sure that your position is proper. So what happens is if you stand like this and if you go forward, okay, too forward, then the water will not exactly go into the nose, it will come out. Okay, but if you go too back, then the water will go to the mouth. Okay, so make sure that you don't bend too much forward also, not too much backward also while you do this. Okay, now let's do it with the other side, other nostril. Let me take the water. So I'm going to fill half of the pot with water. And once again, let's do it. Okay. So now with the right nostril, you have to make sure the nozzle is exactly into the nose, in the tip of the nose. And now what you have to do, raise your right elbow, your left hand on your left thigh, Slightly bend. Inhale, exhale through the mouth. Okay, so I had a little bit of phlegm, so that got removed. So this was the Jala Neti kriya which we practiced. Okay, so I hope you also liked this practice. Although I really enjoy Jala Neti. Okay, I enjoy practicing Jala Neti because even if I have any cold, phlegm, I usually practice it during Sundays and I really enjoy it. Okay, it's really good. You feel your nostril is too open now, and I really feel very calming without any, interruption. Okay. Sometimes what happens, your left nostril is open, right nostril is closed, or right nostril is open, left is closed. But now I can just inhale, exhale with both the nostrils. Perfect. Okay. So now let's do Anulom Vilom Kapalbhati so that you can remove all the excess water from your nose and remove all the impurities. Okay, so how to do this? Your right hand in the Nasika Mudra, like this. That means your index finger and your middle finger closed. Thumb outside, last two fingers outside. Thumb closing your right nostril. Now we'll just close our right nostril and open our left nostril. The left hand in Chin Mudra and just... Can you see this? Water is coming out from my left nostril. Okay, so like that you have to remove all the water. Okay, it's like Kapalbhati only, but you're closing one nostril and exhaling from the other nostril. Just keep on forceful exhalation until the water is completely removed. Now you can see I don't have any water left. Okay, same way on the other side. Now you have to close your left nostril, exhale. Try to exhale now, exhale forcefully, avoid inhalation. Okay, just exhale and passive inhalation. So after every exhalation you have the passive inhalation. Water is still coming from the right nostril now. All clear. Okay, so this is how you have to practice Jala Neti. So after practicing, make sure you remove all the water from your nose, otherwise you will get a headache. Okay, it might be harmful for your body, for your face, and you feel very fresh when you do this. Okay, I actually can feel the freshness on my face. Bas itna hi. Very simple and easy to understand for all the ladies, especially for those who really feel they have frequent cold. Okay, they're not able to remove their phlegm from the nose. Very important. Best practice for you. Okay, it actually has lots and lots of benefits. If I talk, it will go on and on and on. Okay, so the main benefits is that it purifies your nadis. Okay, so it actually the nadis connect the main three nadis, Ida, Pingala, Sushumna. They are connected here. Okay, and it purifies the nadis through the nasal tract. You get the nadis cured. Okay, it also balances the three doshas, the Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Balances the doshas. It actually energizes your channels. Okay, see, people who are healthy people also can practice Jala Neti. And even if you are sick, okay, sick in the sense, if you have any mild illness, like if you have pain in your ears, you want a more clearer vision, or if you have frequent cold, then you can practice Jala Neti. Okay, especially for the ladies who have sinus problem, they can practice Jala Neti because it will really help you to cure your sinus. It will help you to open up the nostrils. Okay, open up your nasal passage. You will be able to breathe more efficiently. Okay, and also for all the sensory organs, Jala Neti is the best practice. Okay, to improve the sensory organs, and also for asthma patients, and the list goes on and on. There's no end to it. Increases. Okay, I hope you like this video, and please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, because you will get to know more of the yogic concepts. I will be sharing most of my knowledge which I know, which is coming from my parents also. So following all the traditions, I'm going to share all the knowledge, all the concepts for you. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye bye, see you, namaste.